Hello artists! We are being inspired today by the beautiful fall weather and we are making a drawing of a pumpkin patch. You can see here I have paper, ruler, and pencil. Those are the supplies you're really going to want to use today. I also have a good eraser because I feel like I erase a lot when I'm using these techniques. We're going to be using some perspective techniques to show space in this drawing. To start, we are going to draw a straight line across our paper. That is our horizon line. The horizon line is the line that shows where the sky and the earth meets, and today our horizon line is straight. On that we are going to draw a dot, and that is our vanishing point. For our pumpkin patch, we are going to think about rows in a field, and all of those rows are straight lines that will actually go back to the vanishing point. If it's helpful for you to label sky, earth, so you know what we're drawing here, go ahead, but you don't have to. I'm now taking my ruler and I am drawing the rows in my field. And you can see I'm starting and it kind of looks like a triangle. All of these lines are going to go to the vanishing point. So I'm just rotating my ruler, but I'm making sure I'm still starting from that point. I'm going to stop there on that side. Go right here. And one more. So for our pumpkins, we know that things that are closer to us are going to look bigger than the things that are farther away. So when I'm drawing this row of pumpkins, I know it's going to start bigger here towards the front and get smaller as it goes back. So here I have more of a medium-sized, much smaller, and when they're way back here, it's going to become so small they just look like dots that are very close together. So here I'm having some pumpkins. This is my pumpkin patch. I want another big pumpkin, and I know things would go over these lines, so this is kind of a guide, but it doesn't, I can draw over it. That's why I'm starting in pencil. I might go back and outline this in Sharpie, and then I could erase some of those overlap lines. I could add color and it'll feel very realistic. Another more medium pumpkin. I could think about overlapping to show space. Maybe I want to draw other things. I could add a tractor over here. Maybe I want to think about a row of corn. Whereas it's going back, I know those stalks are going to get smaller too. See how that continues to get smaller? And the way that I set up these guidelines actually gives us more space. Maybe I even want to think about next to my pumpkin patch drawing a road that goes back into the distance. So this is really just our first look at perspective, but we can apply this in so many ways, and we will continue this year to talk about that. Today, I just want you to explore. I'd like to see these guidelines, your vanishing point on the horizon line, and some pumpkins that get smaller as they go back into the distance. It's your choice if you want to add color. I'd love to see extra details on this drawing, and you can go ahead and take a picture and submit it to this assignment. Can't wait to see your work.